I have this helmet for almost a year. It's branded, it's Pilot, the model is HERMES. It's an open helmet for everyday use. I'm totally satisfied with it, 100%. It's, for me, it's so light, 1.3 kilos, really light, and really, I don't know, it fits with my head. It's so comfortable. I'm gonna show it to you first, round and round, and then I'm going to wear it. First, you should check it out. It's an everyday, simple, open helmet. So I'm gonna try it on. And the bottom, I forgot to show you how it looks from here. It's used, as you can see, it's not new. It's after 1 year. And I wanted to tell you how I feel about it. Look, so easy, so soft, still. I have washed the inside one time because sometimes I wear makeup like now and I want it to be clean. Other than that, no, I see nothing wrong with it. If I buy a new one, I think it will be the same model. I go to the store, I bought it, and I will say, I need the same. Totally satisfied with the product. It's not tight now. Okay, I'm totally satisfied. If you like it, you can check it out. It's Pilot HERMES open helmet. Thank you for being in the video.